Hello everyone, myself Professor Amrutkar from Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandir's Samashri Prashant Dadahiri College of Pharmacy, Malegaon. In the last video, we will discuss what is meant by non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agents, mode of action, along with some classes or chemical classification of this Nsaids. This presentation includes agents, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agents under the class of paraminophenols or anilines, aryl alkanoic acid derivatives. These are divided into four subclasses chemically, that is indole acetic acid, then indene acetic acid, then pyrrole acetic acid, and propionic acid derivative with examples. Let's see one by one only the structures and its IUPAC. This is a para-aminophenol. First agent is paracetamol. It is commonly used for the relief of headache and pains, and also used for cold and flu. It is used combination with opioids. Paracetamol can be used in management of more severe pain such as post-surgical pain and palliative care in advanced cancer patients. The structure of this paracetamol is hydroxyphenyl acetamide. This is acetamide. This one is acetamide. That is CH3CONH2 is acetamide. This is phenyl, and this is 4-hydroxy. This N means the acetamide is this hydroxyphenyl is substituted. Second drug of under this para-aminophenol and aniline is phenacetin. It is N,4-ethoxyphenyl acetamide. Again, this is acetamide, this is phenyl, and this one is ethoxy. It's 4-ethoxy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-ethoxyphenyl. This is acetamide functional group. It is introduced in 1887, and it is used principally as an analgesic and was one of the first synthetic fever reducer. Next is acetic acid. Acetic acids are divided into four classes, like indole acetic acid derivative means it contains indole as a basic nucleus with this acetic acid. That is, first is indomethacin. It is IUPAC is indole 3-acetic acid. Again, this is 1, this is 2, this one is 3, 4, and 5. This is 5-methoxy 2-methyl, that is 2-methyl. Okay. This one is para-chlorobenzoyl. This is para-chlorobenzoyl at first position. This one is the first position. This is acetic acid. This is the IUPAC of this indomethacin. That is indole acetic acid derivative. Next one is indene. If this is the indole, this one is the indole. This is indene, is carbon-carbon double bond, means here is ENZ nomenclature is applicable for this unsaturation. Geometrical isomers are there, so it is 1 E is there. So again, this is acetic acid at third position. That is 2-methyl 5-fluoro 2-methyl 1H indene, and this is methyl sulfonyl at fourth position. This is methyl sulfonyl and benzylidene. This is benzylidene. This is the IUPAC of this Sulindac example under indene acetic acid derivative. Then pyrrole acetic acids are also aryl acetic acid derivative. Means aryl group is what? Pyrrole. In case of this, it is also pyrrole. The examples are tolmetine and zumipirac. This tolmetine is 1-methyl 5-tolulyl pyrrole 2-acetic acid. It is 1, it is 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is 2-acetic acid pyrrole. Paratolulyl, this is paratolulyl 1-methyl. Isn't it? Acetic acid. It is again a 1-methyl, 1,4-dimethyl 5-paratolulyl pyrrole 2-acetic acid. These are the structures of tolmetine and zomipirate. These drugs are under the heading of aryl acetic acid, it is pyrrole acetic acid derivative. Then again acetic acid derivative, it is aromatic ring system is benzene, that is ibuphenac and diclofenac. This is 2,6-dichloroanilino 2,6, this is 6 2,6-dichloroanilino, this is anilino phenyl acetic acid, this is CH2COOH acetic acid, anilino. This is isobutyl phenyl, and this is acetic acid. Second position, that is ibuphenac. When we replace this one hydrogen with CH3, that is propionic acid derivative called as ibuprofen, that is isobutyl. This one is replaced with this CH3. This is called as propionic acid derivative. It is phenyl acetic acid or propionic acid derivative. Example, ibuprofen. The maximum activity is obtained for the substitution at R1, that is this isobutyl group. The smaller substituents like methyl ethyl reduces the activity. When we replace this one, it reduces the activity. This maximum activity is found with R2 at this position group. Smaller and larger the group diminishes the activity. The replacement of carbonyl group by an ester, alcohol or amide, it produces less active compound, and the anti-inflammatory activities resides the positive isomers. This is regarding ibuprofen. This one is propoxyphene, naproxen and phenoprofen. Naproxen is also a propionic acid derivative. It is 2-methoxynaphthalene 6-eel propionic acid, and phenoprofen is phenoxyphenyl. This is phenyl and propionic acid derivative. Thank you. This is regarding two classes, that is aryl acetic acid derivative and para-aminophenol derivative. Examples are paracetamol and phenacetin. Then indole acetic acid, indene, pyrrole acetic acid, and propionic acid.